What's up, guys? In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background in Gimp. So let's get right into it. Click on Layer and New Layer. On the Fill with Option, leave it on Transparency and click OK. Now press on Image and go to Merge Visible Layers. Leave the Clip to Image option on and the two options on at the bottom and click Merge. After, go to Bucket Fill and leave the Mode option on Erase. Opacity at 100. Fill type on BG color fill. Affected area on fill. Similar colors and finding similar colors. Leave the fill transparent areas on and anti-aliasing on. Now just click on the background and your background will be gone. And that's it, guys. How to remove background in Gimp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.